another seafood recipe for you guys. And I'm lucky to come across this beautiful shrimp. Ayan, ngayon, ipagluluto ko kayo ng aking favorite na tomato and garlic shrimp, which usually sinaserve ko over pasta, pwede ding ulam, and then of course with a very, with our favorite bread. If you don't have olive oil, you can always use butter. Generous yung aking olive oil. Iiti ko lang konti. And then, garlic, 3 medium ripe tomatoes. And then again, chili fingers. Tapos lemon. And of course, parsley. At saka, chicken stock. Etong shrimp, nung binili ko, inano ko na siya. Binivein ko na siya. Tinanggal ko na yung kanyang mga ugat sa loob. Yan, nag-vein ko na siya. But I did not remove the head kasi ako, favorite ko yung head. Kaya hindi ko tinatanggal yung head. There's the garlic. May tomato. Ayan. Chili flakes. Tapos ako, sinasama ko yung lemon. Pero tanggalin ko yung buto. Kasi masarap yung lasa ng lemon. Saka yung balat ng yan. Sisigyan ko kami. Later when you're going to taste the food. Of course, halagyan ko din ng salt. Later, para ma-wilt or lumambot yung ating kamatis. Ngayon ako, ayoko na sabay-sabay niluluto yung hipon kasi nasisira yung kanyang ulo. Yung katawa, yung forma niya. Kaya lalagyan ko muna ng chicken stock. Mag-start muna ako sa half cup. Kaya ako muna mag-simmer kasi mas masarap yung lasa na nung stock pagka wilted na yung tomato. Mamaya, yung shrimp, isa-isa natin nilutuin. Pag may white wine akong available, I also use white wine. That's one recipe na gusto ko with seafood. Okay. Ngayon, i-high heat ko siya kasi malamig yung shrimp ko, so bababa yung temperature niyan. Pag bibili kayo ng shrimp, ang lagi yung titingnan kung nakadikit pa ba yung ulo doon sa katawan. Intact pa ba siya? Okay? Tapos, dapat matigas yung shell. This is, 1 kilo of shrimp. We also don't want our shrimp to be overcooked. Kaya, inaalalayan ko din yung pagkaluto niya kasi nawawala din yung pagiging juicy niya. Tsaka the bigger the shrimp is, mas nagiging rubbery siya sa pagluluto. Actually, ang favorite kong shrimp is yung swahe na bibiling buhay. If you have a Facebook account, please don't forget to follow us, like and comment, of course. And don't forget to
click the like button
and share. For our YouTube channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon. And also, please do share, comment, and subscribe, yes. And with Instagram, please follow me at Marie's Home Cooked Meals.
Yeah.
If you like this meal, please make a comment. It's very much, I'd love to hear from you.
One thumbs up, guys. This one thumbs down. This one thumbs up. Okay, guys?
Inuunti-unti ko yung luto kasi ayoko maputol yung ulo niya.
A whale is more bigger.
Okay, sit down. Please say hi to them.
Hi! Is that my video?
Yeah. Say my mom's shrimp is almost done.
My mom's shrimp is almost done and like and subscribe.
Yung iba dito luto na. Ano natin yun? Pangpanto na lang. Sandali na lang. Kasi ito yung mga medyo frozen. Yun yung reason ba't ayoko pagsabay-sabayin yung luto ng shrimp kadalasan. Kasi hindi din naman sila sabay-sabay talaga naluluto. Yeah, at least ito, matatapos siya, intact yung head niya. Although medyo tedious, medyo matagal, pero worth it naman. Para natin ma-enjoy yung ulo ng hipon. Yan, adding. Wala ko pa yung apoy ko. Lagyan ko pa ng konting olive oil. If you have tomato paste, you can add a little bit of tomato paste to make it redder or more orange. And then yung aking 1/4 cup of fresh parsley. You can use other herbs. Ito kasi yung fresh herbs na meron ako. I also use dry herbs like oregano, basil. But since I have fresh, what do you call this? Parsley, yun na yung ginamit ko. Spanish paprika. Anong kaibahan ng Spanish paprika? Yung Spanish paprika, medyo smoky yung lasa niya kasi roasted siya before siya ginawang powder. Okay, pepper. If you want more olive oil, okay pa din. There's no harm in adding more olive oil. And then final taste. Masang lasa yung ulo ng yung taba ng hipon. Okay. And then I'll just pour this over my shrimp. Let's drizzle more olive oil. So here's my shrimp cooked in tomato and garlic sauce. If you like this recipe, please follow us with our Facebook account, Marie's Home Cooked Meals. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. And for our YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Please like, comment, and share this video. For our Instagram account, please follow us at Marie's Home Cooked Meals. Thank you and hope you like this.